Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic CATIA tutorials how to add parameters. In here I will create new path design, click OK. Now we can draw a simple sketch. I will draw in XY plane. Use the rectangle tools, we creating a rectangle and we set for dimension in this rectangle. Also at this point. Now to create parameter, you can go to tools, click formula, and we will show for formulas dialog box. And in here I will create new parameter with multiple value. Click in here new parameter, and I will set for value into 100. The next 200. Click OK. You can set the name like into parameter 1. Click apply. The next I will create again new parameter, click a new parameter of type and enter into 100 and 200. Click OK. Now I will set the name into parameter 2. Click apply. Click OK. Now to apply in this object, I will right click in this dimension, and then you can go to edit formula. The next for parameter, you can click in here. I will use this for parameter 1. Click OK. It will be automatically changed to 100, and this is dimension. I will set into parameter 2. Click OK. Now you can close this sketch, and I will use extrude tools to extrude this rectangle object. If you want to change parameter, you can double click in here, parameter 1, and I will change into 200. Click OK. To be automatically changed into 200. You also can change again parameter 2 into 200. Click OK. I will change parameter 1 into 100. OK again. Okay, that's it, how to add parameter in CATIA. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.